These are the elevators here at the City Center parking deck in Minneapolis, Minnesota. These are Otis, but look at these buttons right here. These look like Dover Impulse buttons. Kind of strange, huh? There's me. Hey now. B1 and B2 are locked, so we're going to go down to, I think, 1. See, the buttons are a bit backwards. Let's go up to E. But check this out here. Look at this interesting button. That is one of the weirdest Dover Impulse button outside of Otis elevator. That is like a DOVIS kind of elevator. These are like DOVIS kind of elevators. Kind of funny. All right, let's see what D looks like for a minute. I want to see if some of the buttons are actually different. Look at that. Very strange. I actually want to take this down to 1. Trouble pressing the 1 button. There we go. Now let's try going down to 1 in this. I want to show you something that's kind of a small difference. Get closer to the O's button. Yeah, B1 and B2 are both restricted. Check this out. Got Otis buttons on the outside of these elevators on the main floor. Pretty strange. Can't take these down, but I'm actually gonna take it up. Here's the other one. We're gonna ride the other one first, then we'll take another ride on it. Hey. Okay, here we go up to E. Now we'll go back down to 1. Yeah, these buttons are flipped backwards, which is kind of odd. Now we will end the tour on 2. Oh, by the way, here's your alarm bell. Anyways, there it goes. That's it.